Got the wheels off the truck, sitting on stands. Gonna take these and put the new tires on. Then we will take it for a spin. Just out here installing the brand new tires on the truck in the dark. So we got the new tires on. As you seen, we did that last night. Nice fresh tires. Now we can drive it and do the rundown as to what else is wrong with this thing, and we can fix it before we start daily driving it. I lied, guys. It needs an air filter. I forgot. So I'm gonna go pick up an air filter right now so I can drive it around safely. Double chins. Target acquired. Now, before we embark on this journey, we must first check the angles of the GoPro. So, after years, well, 2 years of owning this truck and trying to do the swap, finally got it running to the point where it starts almost every time. Now we will drive it around the block, and it will be driving for the first time since 2016 is my guesstimate. It would really suck if it didn't start now. Don't embarrass me now. I'm embarrassed. It's embarrassing. Well, what the hell, man? It's running now. That exhaust is terrible. This isn't gonna be like an extravagant cruise around the block. Seatbelt doesn't. Well, there's the first problem. Still trying to grab for it. We're just gonna go for a little spinny spin. Hope that it holds up. Just hoping nothing falls out of the bottom of this thing. Staying on. That's always a good sign, right? Somewhat main road. Now there is something weird with it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but when I step on it, well, maybe I'm just not used to something being so slow. I don't know. It sounds weird to me. Sounds like a misfire, maybe. Let me know what you guys think. It's super bright, so I can't look at you right now, but goddamn, I'm happy. I've come to the conclusion that it's that super crappy exhaust that is making it seem like it's running like garbage. So that's one problem that we need to address when we go to fix this thing up. Second thing, the seatbelt. You gotta have a seatbelt. At least I do. You know? And third, one thing that I had to address probably before I installed the engine, because it would have been easier, was the previous owner redid the steering rack, or replaced the steering rack, but didn't put the boots on. So they're on there, but they're not clamped on there, so that's another issue. And then the obvious cosmetics. It looks terrible, but we will make it look better. That's the plan. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.